Hi everyone, my name is Dimitri and I come from Russia, and today I want to talk to you about my country. It's a beautiful country. We have great things. We have flowers, we have trees, we have beautiful girls, we have poor kids. That is great. And also we have Putin. Yeah, Putin is very good for Russia. Putin does good things. Western countries have democracy. We don't like democracy. With democracy, you do what you want and your opinion matters. We don't like that. We don't want opinions in Russia. Everyone likes Putin. Everyone votes for Putin. Even dead people vote for Putin. People who died 20 years ago, they go and vote for Putin. Even my dog voted for Putin. People say Russians are always angry, grumpy. But I don't think it's true. People are a bit upset because now vodka is more expensive than water. People, instead of drinking vodka, now they drink water. Water is no good for you. Water is no good. When you drink water, you feel like all this strange thing inside. You have to wait hours before you get rid of it. You go to the toilet. Now, with vodka it's easy. You drink vodka, you vomit straight away. Vodka is good. You can drink vodka when you're sad, so you forget your problem. You can drink vodka when you're happy, so you celebrate, you party. Even if you're bored, you can drink vodka so something happens, so you don't get bored anymore. Vodka is good. I love vodka. I really love vodka a lot. My wife say, go buy bread. I go and come back with vodka. My wife say, go buy milk. I come back with vodka. Vodka is good. One day my wife say, go pick up daughter from school. And I come back with vodka. Vodka is good. And my wife say, where is daughter? I don't know, but we have vodka. Well, now we have Try Baby again. People ask me, what do you do for work? Everyone is so poor in Russia and you always have a lot of money. What do you do for work? I tell them, I still steal for work. I mean, if I see the mailbox out there, I go and I steal the mailbox and I sell it. I steal phones, I steal cars, I steal watches, I steal everything and then I sell it for money. One day, me and my friend, we went to the garage where they keep the trains. And we steal the train. We did good money with that. I think we did $50. Very good money. All you need to know about Russia is Putin, vodka and beautiful girls. Vodka is good. Thank you very much for watching the video and welcome to Russia. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.